Anytime I see your face, looking bright, looking nice, like Mother Nature, I want to hold you, to feel you like I feel the air. Oh, every time you're looking beautiful. So once you have your lyrics, you go to Chat GPT, you paste your lyrics onto it. This is my lyrics. So what I'm going to put under, I'm going to put full stop. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to now write based on these 10 elements I've given you. So see what I'm going to type next. So I will say, so we start from the genre. Okay, I can say this. This is my song lyrics. It's R and B. I've stated the genre, okay? Then the next one, I'm going to the mood. So I'm using the elements which I've taught you in the last video. I will say, comma, I want to make it emotional slash romantic because if you listen to the song, then that is the mood tempo. So I want slow, mid tempo. I'll just stop at slow mid tempo. That's what I want for tempo. Okay. Then I'll go to the song structure. So I want, okay, let me just interact with it. I want the structure to have intro with the instrument first, intro with the instrument first, then verse, chorus. I want bridge. Yes, I didn't put it in the song, but you can see, you see the magic. I want bridge and hook. So hook can be voice or instrumental. Okay, so I want hook from the lyrics. Remember, I didn't put it in my lyrics, but watch the magic. That's the song structure. Then I'll go to lyrics direction. I can say lyrics. I'm just interacting with chat. Lyrics direction is about love. All right. So then we'll go to vocal types. Vocal type is male. Let me do male tenor. I think I like that tenor head voice I was using. So then language accent. So language, you can see the way I'm putting it. Language accent. Hold on a second. So let me correct that. Accent is, let me just use it Nigeria English. So it won't be too British kind of thing, you understand? Then instrumental style, hook comma, instrumental style. You can see I'm using just all the elements I've listed in my last video. So I want, I think I like in this kind of song, I would like piano led. Yeah, I like piano to start with. Piano led and excuse me. Let's use tenor saxophone driven. Is let me space out this best part here. Then I don't need to reference anybody, but if I want to do that, I will say Michael Bolton, okay? But I don't want to do that, okay? So then in the last element I gave you, I said is either you record your audio that which I've done. That's what I used to get my lyrics, okay? So I've done that, and I will now say this to chat to give me to now say give me a style prompt for this. Okay, so it will scan through my lyrics and information I provided. Now press enter. Okay, so let us see. It's coming up. All right, great. See, style prompt is R&B slash romantic. You see, he even suggested I turn this into the Suno. Now, this talking about the AI tools we can use, and I say put it in one sentence. So I can use it in the AI tools like Suno AI. Okay. See, chat is very smart. So let's see the prompt. A slow mid-tempo emotional R&B love song with a piano-led instrumental and expressive tenor saxophone, male tenor vocal in Nigeria English accent, smooth and intimate delivery, romantic and heartfelt mood, structured with an instrument intro, soft verse, uplifting chorus, emotional bridge, and a catchy hook, modern warm production inspired by deep love and admiration. You see that? But now I'm going to see further and say add backup harmonies. I really love harmonies, trust me. At the chorus and bridge. Okay, so I'm going to press enter again. So it's going to rephrase that. And then you see, so you can just read the whole thing all over again and see to the point that you know you've provided enough information, you're satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and then I'll head on to Suno. So I went on to Suno AI. It's already here. I'll click it. This is it, number one. You already know this process. So the home page, this is the home page loading. Okay, so I'll go to create. Okay, so remember we have the simple, just for background, I've explained this is my last video. We're not focusing on that. We'll go to custom. See, I'll come to audio. So what I need to do first is I need to go to my desktop to put the audio into the folder which I'm using so that I can search for it. So I put it on that folder I wanted. So I'll go back to Suno and then I come to audio here and come to upload. So the title is audio always. Okay, so I will open it up. Okay, so here you have, just like the way we've done it in the other video, you have the opportunity to play it, hear it, and then probably trim if you want. Anytime I see. So I'm okay with it. So there's nothing I want to start all over. So I'll just click on save so that it will upload it. So it's uploading. The title is already there. So we're going to see the difference between the first one I created and this one, which I'm using the professional prompts, which I explained. So let's wait for it to load. That's great. So it's here. You know the process. We'll come to this three dot here. We'll come to remix, sorry. So let me go back again so that you don't miss that. You come to this three dot here, click on it. You come to remix and then you come to cover. Once you click on cover, it's going to load it to this side. So it's loading here. You can see it's there. This is your lyrics, okay? You can see all the lyrics. You generated it well. So you can check some spelling since this is English, okay? So anytime I see your face, then where is my chorus? I think that it didn't get the chorus. So what I'm going to do instead is that I'm going to open my Microsoft Word. I'll copy it here because I want it to be arranged the way I compose the song. Okay. So I'll come back here and just, you see, Suno AI generated these words from my audio. Okay. So sometimes it might not really understand when you are singing chorus or verse. So it's better for you to get your lyrics down and then I'll come here and then paste. Okay, so this makes sense now, so it's clearer. And see one beautiful thing, see the thumbnail Suno generators. Then now you can see what we copied now on this style. If you look at the other one I did, I left it open, so I make the AI just decide whatever it is. Okay, so I will come here now and then paste. Those of you using window, when you copy something, you can have a lot of things you copy. It's like you're holding it to your keyboard, so you can just press window V to see those things. So this is the one on number 2 I'm going to input. So you need to check it very well again. A slow mid tempo, exactly what I have there. Okay, so what are we going to do now next is for us to go to advanced. Okay, it's the same thing we did at the first. I'm choosing a male voice. Okay, now we can use weirdness, no style influence. You can see, because you see once you click it you have to pay, so it's only those who have the pro version that have the opportunity to use that, and that will also make your composition or your song sounds very unique. But now we don't have that. I'm just using what we have here as default, so I'm changing it. Then lyrics mode, let's put it manual because I already have the style box already. So like the other video, for those of you that might find this stressful, you can just come here and say auto. That would be better. Okay, but notwithstanding, either you choose manual or auto, the AI is still going to generate something for you, but it might be things it might be what you don't really like or some errors. Okay, so you can see the title of the song. I can change it here. You can decide to change it, or you just need to rub it up and type whatever you want there. But I will just still leave it at old. Let me put it at love to hold you. That's the title I'm changing to. Okay, so once everything is set, I'm good with the audio. You can check the audio here again and see if it is what you want. And you can see I intentionally left this white space so that in case the AI want to do one or two, we have that white space there for the instrumental or whatever might want to happen. But let us click generate. I think I'm okay with everything so far. I've impute my lyrics and I make it the chorus I indicated. Okay, then I put the style I want, the professional style we've done in the last video. So let's create and compare to the last one we've done. Create. So Suno by default always generate two so that you check it. Sometimes it can be instrumental, sometimes it can just be the same audio in different versions. But let us see. I think it's done. Let's see. Let me play this one. Wow! This is beautiful. So let's hear the voice. Anytime. Excellent. All right. So you can see. So far, I think I prefer the first one. I really love the first one. You can see that even if you are not a music person, and if you follow my first video, applying those 10 elements, you can see you're going to create something very amazing that even when someone listens to you like, did you create this? So one thing you need to notice that in the voice texture, that's the timbre, that is not my voice quality. So in essence, it's just a remix. And that is why when we are creating it, what do we click on here? We click on remix, if you remember. So Suno cannot clone voice. So we're going to use another AI app again to clone your voice. We're going to use AI app like Air or Udo and all those stuff too. In my next video, I'm going to do that. But this one is a start in which you can start using now. So for those of you that have different song composition, be it gospel, so just follow these steps I've given you in the first video, apply it, you're going to end up with a fantastic music and you're going to enjoy yourself. Like you feel proud of yourself. Wow, that this is very nice. Okay, like I said, if you do not have lyrics, I've showed you in the last video that you can also use the AI to generate lyrics. All you just need is what the idea. Okay, so I'm going to come down here now and I will just go to download. I'm downloading the first one. The first one is really very nice to me. The second one too is always good. So here you can see you can't own the copyright, but the one way you can own copyright is by you upgrading, which means you pay for the pro. So I don't want to use it just for the tutorial sake. Then I'll just download anyway. Then wait for it to download. You can see it's in. Once I open it, I have my song. So for those of you that have this idea of composition, this is how you can get started without spending much money to go to the studio or you are waiting for your for you to get a band. You can start using AI to do this. So next class I will show you another AI tool that will clone our voice. Okay, that will make that this clone means it will make the audio sound like your voice. Okay, so let it be at the background. So please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Just help me tap on that notification bell and click share to anyone who might need it. Okay, thanks for now. Bye. See you in my next tutorial. Okay, don't forget again to check my next video on this playlist. Thank you.